How to open Chrome Task Manager. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you where is a Chrome Task Manager in your browser. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the Chrome browser. Okay, so I'm on my Chrome. So guys, if I open some tab here, if I open Twitter, LinkedIn and Facebook, and one tab more, we have, okay, I have 4 tab here. So I want to check the process or process manager. Then you can easily check. Just click on this little 3 dot option, go to the more tools, and here you can see the option called task manager, and here the shortcuts key you can use shift plus your escape, and you can open the task manager like this. So this is my task manager window, and here you can see the all current tab here. Okay, I can see the current tab, and this is my all our plugins, or you can say extension, which are currently active. And this is Twitter, and another is Google account, LinkedIn, Facebook tab. This is my extension, Chrome extension, and Grammarly extensions. Now we have tags, memory footprint, CPU and CPU time, and processor ID. You can add more information. Just right click anywhere and you can select the profile, then it will be add the profile here. Okay, and you can add the GPU memory here. This is memory currently using. Okay, so and another you can, okay, process priority normal. Okay, so now if you want to end any task from here, just select the task and click in, it will be end. Okay, so I just end all tabs here. Okay, I just in my mobile simulation. So if you by mistakenly in any important task, you can reopen the Chrome browser, it will be added. Okay, so now you can see the all has been, task has been end. So you can reopen it, or you can just refresh it, it will be open. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.